Yes, sir. Understandable. Guy's mad. So we got a dip. Is what it is. At least I got some footage. Alright, so I'm at the next spot. I'm gonna drive through holding the camera because I mean, as you can see, I can mount it up. And it'd be a pretty nice view, right? I mean, I think so. I don't have a case for the GoPro yet. It's too steep. It might be kind of hard with one hand, but I'm gonna stay in second gear, so yeah, whatever. Grab the throttle. Almost stalled it. Okay. Definitely not very easy to do this with one hand. Now I gotta turn around one hand on this big hill without stalling because I have no clutch, without falling. Okay, a little bit faster, but run through now. Still gonna stay in second gear. Just gonna give it a little bit more throttle. Almost fell. Oh shit. I think we can also go that way, so I'll check it out. Yes, we can. We'll go this way first. And this just brings us back to the main section we were just at. All time. Almost low side is right there. Oh shit. Still one-handed, guys. Still one-handed. Oh god. Oh, this is so sketchy. So sketch as a log. I'm not moving it over the log one-handed. Oh, okay. Well, that was really hard. I'll set up the camera at a couple angles and then I'm going inside. I'm hot.
The exhaust is not connected, as you can see. I had to bungee cord it. Yummy. I'm gonna clean this sucker up.
Okay, the muffler side cleaned up very nicely. The black rubber band, I couldn't get that off. And then I'm gonna wipe everything, the alcohol, after I install on the bike, and I'm gonna fix this little hole. And it should look a lot better. The header turned out really, really nice. And so did the rest of the exhaust. It's all shined up. Hole's still there. I'm gonna put some JB Weld on there. Okay, here's the nut. Go in there with one drop. Ooh, I don't know. Okay. It's all shined up now. Okay. Like, oh, that's way too much thread locker. That's way too much thread locker. I don't give a fuck. This thing vibrates like you wouldn't believe.
The muffler should go in. No problem. Easy. Okay, I couldn't get it on camera, but everything is exactly where it needs to be.
Slightly points out.